trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video for you guys today. Today I am doing a full install on this unit. So today's hair I have is from Coco black hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing and then we're gonna get into the full install. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute, as you guys can see. Alright, so when we open her, of course, we got our hair, which is inside, like such. We also got a little pamphlet. So this is basically giving you instructions on how to maintain and take care of your wig. Hopefully you guys can hear me very well. I do have a fan that's below me, so hopefully it's not too loud. So sorry about that. Also it came with a wig cap, and I love, oh, that is the unboxing. So today's hair I have is, I can't see it. Alright, so today's hair I have is the Emily 360 wig. It's a Brazilian virgin curly bob. It's in 14 inches. The cap size is a medium and the density on this unit is 180%. So this is a curly hair bob, as I previously stated. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this hairnet off. First impression, it doesn't have a smell. Well, it does have a smell. It's just like a regular, you know, manufacturer smell. It's nothing too, you know, detrimental where I have to wash it beforehand. I know most people like to wash their units, but I want to show you guys what you guys are getting straight out the pack. But yeah, like I said, it's 360. Not sure if you guys will want to put it in a ponytail. You can if you would like. It comes with the lace. I love that the lace is tinted, by the way. You don't have to do much work when it's tinted. It does have the standard combs. There's one here, there's one here, there's one in the middle, and at the bottom it comes with the drawstring along with another comb. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to be installing her today so you guys can see what we're working with. And like I said, it's summertime and we definitely don't want to be out here all hot, so I feel like a curly bob is definitely the way to go. So I love to use these hair knots here. They're very, very breathable. I honestly just push this back when I go to put on my cap, well, my wig, of course, because it is gonna show, and sis, nobody got time for that. So I'm just putting her on to see if I need to do anything. And as you guys can see, the lace is very, very transparent. This is why you got to push this back. So after I push it back, you guys can see it blending very, very well with my skin, which is super, super exciting. I don't really like to have to do much when I'm getting units, so the fact that I can just put this on is a plus. And she all set and litty. I look stupid. Oh my gosh, I can think this is gonna be so cute. But yeah, let me get some clips of so yeah, I'm just gonna pin this up, make sure it's on evenly, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut where I need to cut. Alright guys, so I'm about to go ahead and put her on down, but y'all, I'm super hyped, period, because as I was putting it on, like I was looking at it when I was cutting the back of it off. Oh Lord, my BB nuts is out today. Okay. But I noticed that the lace, I mean the knots on the unit was bleached. When I say bleached, sis, it was freaking bleached. So I was super excited about that because the knots were bleached. And I just want to just show y'all the realness of this unit without me doing any type of foundation or anything to it. I was super excited of how well this melted. So this company is already winning in my book. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take my staple, my got to be glue hairspray. This is my quick to go because honestly I need to be out this house in 20 minutes, so yeah, I'm gonna put my scarf on and just lay her down just a little bit, then I'm gonna come back and do my big I just had to pause the video, so well, you cannot tell me that this is not my real scalp, okay? Because it is legit. I love when you can part hair and it does that. Like, y'all, sis, y'all, I love it.